Understanding Fire Alarm, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, fire alarm. This is a common phrase you might encounter in everyday life, especially in public spaces or in emergency situations. So, let's dive in and understand all about it. A fire alarm is a device or system designed to alert people in a building or area when there is a fire. It's an important safety feature found in many buildings like schools, offices, and homes. The main purpose of a fire alarm is to warn people so they can evacuate the building quickly and safely. There are two main types of fire alarms. 1. Manual fire alarms. These require someone to activate them, usually by breaking glass and pressing a button. 2. Automatic fire alarms. These are triggered automatically when they detect smoke or heat. Both types are essential for safety, and many buildings have both. A fire alarm usually makes a very loud, piercing sound. This sound is designed to be heard over other noises and to grab attention immediately. In some systems, there might also be flashing lights, especially in places where someone might not hear the alarm. When a fire alarm sounds, it's crucial to take it seriously. Here are some steps to follow. 1. Stay calm. Panic can make the situation worse. 2. Evacuate immediately. Leave the building through the nearest exit. 3. Do not use elevators. Always use the stairs during a fire. 4. Gather at a safe spot. Usually, there's a designated area to meet outside the building. Sometimes, fire alarms can go off by accident, known as a false alarm. Regular maintenance and testing are important to prevent false alarms and ensure the system works when it's really needed. I hope this video has helped you understand what a fire alarm is and why it's so important for safety. Remember, if you ever hear a fire alarm, it's crucial to act quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more English language learning content.